Hello?
Hi, Logan.
Caleb, stop doing this.
I cannot think. I just want to buy Logan. See? I just see. Oh, me? I just want to know Logan. I just want to buy Logan. I just want to. I just want to buy Logan. No, see. It's not dirty, ready? Not dirty. Okay. Okay, not right there. Good morning, mommy. Good morning, mom. Guess what, mom? Guess what? I got the bad news and I got the good news and bad news.
What's that?
Bad news is there's this crash on the Paw Patrol today.
Oh,
And the good news is it's fixed now.
oh, good.
Yeah, thanks.
Hello.
Hi, Grandma.
Hello, Caleb.
Hi, where's Logan?
He's gone home.
He's gone home.
Yes. Why were you ringing here all the time?
Because I've been here all the time, Grandma.
You were ringing here all the time.
Yeah, this morning I'm not at 2 a.m. Yeah, I did woke you up, yeah, at not at 2 a.m.
You rang lots of times, and you've done it one other time as well.
Yes, I did.
Can I?
No, thank you.
I want the phone.
I got to speak to Grandma.
Hi, Mum. How many times did he call?
Oh, probably 5.
Oh, you're kidding.